Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your air conditioner to the Smart Life application so that you can control it with the help of your phone wherever you are. So first of all, before starting this connection process, you need to make sure that your air conditioner is compatible with the Smart Life application, and also you need to make sure that your phone is connected to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, since most of the Smart Life devices don't support the 5 gigahertz during the setup. So once this is done, the next thing that you need to do is to simply download and install the Smart Life application from the Google Play Store or App Store, and then you just have to open the app and simply just log in into your account. Now when you have either logged in into your account or whether you have created your account, the next thing that you need to do is to simply put your AC into the pairing mode, and depending on the AC model that you have, this is usually done by pressing and holding the Wi-Fi button on the remote, or on your AC unit there will be a manual Wi-Fi button or the manual button in the indoor unit, and when you press that, the Wi-Fi indicator will start blinking rapidly, and when it does, it simply means that now your AC is in the pairing mode. So when it is, you just have to open your Smart Life application and press this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now when you are on the add devices page, by default you will be shown this electrical option, but among these you just have to simply select the option of large home appliances, and then on the next page you need to select the option of AC, and then you need to simply just follow further on screen instructions. That includes entering your Wi-Fi password, and you need to wait for the app to basically complete the connection. So once that is done, when the Wi-Fi light stops flashing and when it turns solid, it simply means that the setup is now completed, and now you can access the AC's all of the features inside your Smart Life application and inside your phone, and now you can use it, and you can change the temperature, you can switch the modes, you can also create the schedules directly via your phone. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.